Hello everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So students, today we will recapitulate the topics text effect and the paragraph group. Now let's see how to apply text effects. Okay, so first of all you have to select the text. Okay, then go to home tab. Okay, go to home tab. In font group here you will see the option. Here you will see the option text effects. Okay, this is an icon of text effect, and from here you can apply different text effects. Did you observe the changes? Yes. Okay, you can apply any text effect. Okay, let's suppose I'm selecting this one or this one. Okay, I'm selecting this one. So students, so understood. Now there are more text effects also. Again you have to select the text, then go to font group, and here you will see an icon of text effect, and here outline. If you want to draw an outline to your text, you can select it. Okay, you can select any color for outline from here. Let's suppose I'm selecting this black one, and it's done. Understood? Now again students, select the text and go to text effect option. Okay, here is a shadow option also, shadow, and here from here you can select the shadow effect. Okay, look, let's suppose I'm selecting this one, and it's done. Okay, again here are more text effect option, then I select and then go back, and reflection option is also here, so you can look. Did you observe the changes? Yes, you can select any effect. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one, and it's done. Okay, again there is one more text effect. Okay, then go to glow. Okay, so from here you can select the glow for your text, glowy effect. It will add glowy effect to your text. Okay, select any effect. Let's suppose if I'm selecting this one, and it's done. Understood? Now understood how to apply text effects. Now students, our next topic is paragraph group. Now let's see where we will find this paragraph group. So first we have to go to home tab. Okay, in home tab, look here, paragraph is written here. Okay, so this is a paragraph group. Okay, this is a paragraph group, and here also, just like a font group, here also we have different commands. Okay, which are used to format paragraphs. Okay, so students, look here, this is a bullet icon. Okay, this is a bullet icon. If we click on this drop down arrow, here we will find different bullets. Okay, and here is a numbering icon. Okay, if we click on this drop down arrow, we will get different numbering styles. Okay, understood? Now students, next let's see how to apply bullets and numbering to the text. Okay, so I have written some text here. Okay, I have written some names here. So students, let's suppose I want to make a list. Okay, so and there is no sequence in the list, so I want to select bullets. Okay, so first of all you have to select the list. Okay, list of the items. Then you have to go to home tab. In paragraph group, you have to click on drop down arrow of bullets. Then from here you can select any bullet. Let's suppose I'm selecting this one. Okay, and it's done. Understood? Now students, let's suppose I want to make a roll number wise list. Okay, Rohit roll number is 1, Akshay 2, Rima 3, Simmi 4 and Tarun 5. Okay, I want to make a roll number wise list. Then what I will do, I will select numbering. Okay, I will select numbering. So let's select the text again. Okay, you have to select the list. Then you have to go to home tab. In paragraph group, Here is a numbering icon. Yes, you have to click on drop down arrow, and from here you can select any numbering style. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, and it's done. Understood? Understood now how to apply bullets and numbering to the text, to the list of items. Okay, now students, let's see. Next is alignment. Next is alignment. So students, look here. Technology is written here. Yes, I have written some text here. So first of all, you have to select the text. Okay, then go to home tab. Okay, then go to home tab, and here you, in paragraph group, here you will find different alignments. Okay, so now what is alignment? Okay, what is alignment? Do you know what is alignment? Alignment means position of text. Okay, position of text on the page with respect to the left and right margins. Okay, and there are 4 alignments. How many alignments are there? 4. Look here. Align text left, that means left alignment. Center alignment. Align text right, that means right alignment. And here last one is justify alignment. Okay, so there are 4 types of alignments. So students, first of all you have to select the text, then go to paragraph group, and here you will get an alignment options. Now let's see, if I will select right alignment, what will happen? Look, the text will be shifted towards right side. Yes, now if I will click on center alignment, so the text will be shifted in the center. And if I will click on left alignment, so the text will be shifted towards left side. Okay, understood? Now last is justify alignment. So I have written a paragraph here, and now I'm selecting the paragraph. Okay, so look here, this side is equal, right? Text of this side is equal, but this side is not equal. Yes, so now let's see, if I will select justify alignment, what happened? Look here, I'm selecting justify alignment. Yes, did you observe the changes? Yes, look here, both the text of both the sides are equal. Yes, with respect to left and right margins, both the sides text are equal, right? Understood now what is alignment and how we will apply alignments. Now students, we have shortcut keys also. We have shortcut keys of alignments. Okay, now let's see what are the different shortcut keys for alignment. Shortcut keys for left alignment is Ctrl+L, right alignment is Ctrl+R, center alignment Ctrl+E, and justify Ctrl+J. Understood students? Understood now? Understood students? Now your homework is, you have to revise chapter 5, formatting in MS Word. Understood? Now write your name, class and section in comment section, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.